Hello and welcome back to the PBIS Rewards Discovery Series. Let's quickly review the Redeem queue. From your home screen, look on the left-hand side and come to Stores right here. We're going to click on Stores. And for today, let's just look at the school store right here. Once this pulls up, it's going to show you the availability in the school store. Up here at the top right, you will see Redeem. Click on Redeem, and we're going to redeem purchases. Now, here we can search for individual students, or we can select Show All Students. So let's show all the students. From this section, I can simply go in and redeem each of these individually, like so, by clicking on Redeem. And at that time, I would hand the student the item that they have purchased from the school store. You could also select all right here and redeem all of the ones selected at one time. Another option available is approving purchases. Again, you'll come here, you can either type in a student's name here, or you can show all students. Once I do that, I'll make a choice to redeem now, which means I'm going to hand the student the item they purchased, or I can redeem later. The option to redeem later would mean I would put it back over here in the redeem queue. So from here, I'm going to approve one to redeem now. And then I can also do one to redeem later and approve that purchase. Thank you for joining us today to review Redeem Queue. Please come back next time to learn more about customization from our Discovery series. Thank you.